Hello everyone. Working with complex networks can feel like a massive headache without the right tools. If you want to make your troubleshooting tasks much easier, you are in luck. Today we are looking at the best optical power meter. You are watching Budget Buying, and I am super excited to share this. Let's get started. Trying to maintain an efficient network setup requires reliable gear. That is exactly where the Saixian Optical Power Meter steps in to simplify your workflow. The experts at Saixian designed this versatile tool for professionals and enthusiasts working with modern optical networks. By combining multiple essential functions into one compact and portable design, it provides a comprehensive solution for network testing and daily maintenance. It is built to help you get the job done quickly and perfectly without stress. One standout feature of the Saixian Optical Power Meter is its highly accurate network cable pairing testing function. This ensures the accurate verification of your connections, making it much easier to maintain peak performance. When it comes to detecting faults in optical fibers, this device really shines. It features a built-in visual fault locator that enables the precise identification of problem points. This drastically improves troubleshooting efficiency and saves you very valuable time. Performance is key, and the Saixian Optical Power Meter delivers stunning results. It boasts highly stable light emission alongside an extended penetration distance. This powerful combination enhances its ability to test fibers accurately over much longer spans. Furthermore, it supports 7 different wavelengths, meaning it can easily handle a broad range of optical testing scenarios. No matter what kind of network environment you are dealing with, this intelligent tool is ready to perform wonderfully. You cannot afford to have tools die on you during an important job, and Saixian ensures you stay powered up. It is equipped with a high-capacity battery that guarantees extended operation, supporting prolonged fieldwork without frustrating interruptions. When you do need to top up the battery, you will love the universal USB direct charger. This gives you amazing flexibility, allowing you to recharge quickly without the need to carry around bulky or specialized power adapters between your job sites. Practical details make a huge difference, and the Saixian Optical Power Meter is packed with thoughtful additions. It features the ability to store up to 500 sets of data directly on the device. This allows you to record, store, and check your measurements conveniently at any time. It also includes a small LED flashlight, which proves invaluable when working in dark environments. All of this is packed into a compact design that makes it super easy to carry right in your pocket or tool bag. Do not let unpredictable network issues slow down your daily progress ever again. If you want to add this robust testing tool to your toolkit, make sure to check the price link in the description. We love discovering the most helpful tech gear for you, so please like and subscribe to Budget Buying to help our channel grow. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope your next big project goes perfectly, and I will see you in the next one.